How to fix Google Chrome high memory usage on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If Google Chrome is using too much RAM on your phone and slowing things down, don't worry, this is usually due to background tabs, settings, or cache data. Let's fix it. First thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome, and then you need to close all the background tabs. You can do that by going over to the tabs icon at the top, and then you can easily close out all of these tabs. Tap on the three dots, tap on close all tabs. If you don't see that option, just go ahead and tap on the three dots and you'll find it here. Tap on close all tabs and groups. You should be good to go. Once that is done, you can also enable light mode or reduce data usage. For that, you can go to Chrome settings, long press on it, tap on the I button, and then from there you can easily turn on the data saver. Go to mobile data and make sure that the background data usage is disabled. Once that is done, you can go back and clear cache, not data. From here, you can just long press on your Chrome app again, tap on the I button, and then simply tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and you should be good to go. Now you want to update your Google Chrome to its latest version as well. So tap on app details and store. Then you'll find yourself in Google Play Store with Google Chrome. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.